Now it is the displacement. Displacement means the shortest path covered by the object or the distance between the initial and final position. If any object starts moving from one place and it moves towards any direction, in the displacement we consider the direction only. In any of the particular direction, we will just take the initial point and the final point. For example, suppose this is the path and the object starts from this position and it moves like this, and the final position is this. So it is the initial point and it is the final point, and this is the displacement. It is not the displacement, this path is not the displacement, it is the distance. But the displacement is the distance between the initial and final point only. For example, suppose a person is moving from its origin towards the east for 5 kilometers. Firstly, take this plus sign, and this is the east, this is west, north and south. Firstly, the object is moving towards east for 5 kilometers, and then towards the north again for 5 kilometers, then towards the west for 10 kilometers. Now find the displacement and distance. Distance will be 5 plus 5 plus 10. That means the total distance covered by this object will be 20 kilometers. But for calculating the distance, we need to join this C with O. So this is the C and O. We have to calculate the distance between O and C. How can we calculate? If this is the 5 kilometer, this is 5 kilometer, then this is also 5 kilometers because the object is moving like this. So 5, and this total is 10, and half this is equal to this, so it is 5 and it is also 5. So we have 5 and 5. By using the Pythagoras, we can calculate this OC. Okay? So this OC will be equal to this 5 square and this 5 square whole root. So 5 square plus 5 square is equal to 5 root 2 kilometers. This displacement is a vector quantity. Vector quantity means it has magnitude and direction. It has both magnitude and direction. Magnitude means this value, and direction means now the object is towards the northwest. This is the direction, origin is this, and now the object is in this direction. So this direction is between north and west, so we can say the object is now in the northwest direction. Displacement can be 0 or negative. How it can be 0? If the object is starting at a particular point and after finishing the whole distance, it will come to the same place. At that time, the displacement will be 0. So the displacement can be 0 and negative also. We will take some examples for this negative displacement. One more important point, that distance can be equal to the displacement if the object is moving in the straight line. If the object is moving from this position to this and it is not changing its direction, that means it is continuously moving in the straight direction. At that time, the distance and displacement will be equal. We can take one example. Or numerical for this. Question is, an object is moving in a circle of radius r. Calculate the distance and displacement when it completes the half circle and when it completes the full circle. You will try yourself. I'm just giving you some hint. This is the circle. If the object covers the complete circle, then the initial and final position will be equal. At that time, the displacement will be 0 and the distance will be the circumference, that means 2 pi r. At the half of the circle, initially the object is here and after half circle the object will be here. So the distance will be half of the circumference and the displacement join the initial and final. So it is the diameter. So the diameter will be, if the radius is r, so diameter will be 2r. So you can do this numerical by yourself.